So I have a foot exercise for you this month. Flexing and pointing your foot, or dorsiflexing and plantar flexing. So why is this important? Having strong feet with good range of motion, good mobility will help with your balance, help with your gait, so walking. If you've rolled your ankles or if you have issues with sprained ankles in the past, this is a really good thing to do to strengthen, mobilize, and feel that connection of your feet to the floor. So like in our yoga poses, when I talk about that tripod of your big toe, pinky toe, and heel, really pressing down and having the ability to spread out your toes like a little duck's foot. So how do you do that? Do these moves with me and see how your feet and ankles feel. So this is what I mean by flexing and extending my feet. I'm going to lift my heels but leave my toes on the ground, and then I lift all the way up onto my toes, and then I roll back onto the balls of my feet, and then my heels come down. So I'm going to show that again. I lift my heels, my toes stay on the ground, and my toes are stretched out really flat. They're not curled up. And then I press way up onto the very ends of my tippy toes, and then I come down onto the balls of my feet, and then I drop my heels. I'm going to show this from the side with one foot pressing up, and then all the way onto my toe, all the way onto my ball of my foot, heel coming down. And what I'm looking for is this direction. So I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. I want to go right up over that middle part of my foot, extend my foot, flex my toes, flex my foot down. So that was using the floor to push off. I'm going to also show a band version. I'm going to take the band and strap it so that it covers the ball of my foot and my toes. And then that's a flexed foot and ankle. I just got a loose grip on the band. That's what I'm calling my Barbie foot. My ankle is stretched. Then I'm going to stretch my toes, and the band is giving me a little resistance. I pull my toes back, then pull my whole foot and ankle back. So I'm going stretch my ankle, flex my toes, point my toes really hard. It almost feels like crampy on the bottom of my foot. Toes pull back, whole foot pulls back. I'll show without the band. Barbie foot, pointed toes, pull your toes back, flex. So experiment with this and see if you can go right down the line. Not this, and not like floppy dead fish, right? I'm really working ball of my foot, toes, toes, flex.